Code got you feeling like you're stuck in a never-ending maze? Let's talk debugging. Debugging. Sounds fancy, right? But it's really just a techie way of saying fixing code errors. Picture this, you've written a bunch of code, and suddenly, bam! Errors pop up like unwelcome guests at a party. These errors can be syntax errors. That's when you mess up the code's grammar. Logic errors. Think of those as your code making sense, but doing the wrong thing. And then there's the dreaded runtime errors. Code that crashes while it's running. So what do? You debug? Debugging is all about analyzing and fixing those pesky errors. It's like being a detective, hunting down clues in your code to find out what's gone wrong. You test, you tweak, you test again, and before you know it, your code is running smoothly. In a nutshell, debugging is the process of making your code work as expected. It's a crucial skill for every programmer, beginner or pro. So next time your code throws a tantrum, don't panic. Just put on your detective hat and debug away. You'll be a code hero in no time. Happy coding. And remember, every error is just a step closer to perfection.